The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 comes in a broad range of configurations to fit every need and budget. The laptop in this deal packs a 14-inch HD display, a 2.4 GHz Intel Pentium Gold 6405U dual-core CPU, 4 GB of RAM, and a 128 GB SSD. These specs may seem paltry against a mighty MacBook Pro or fully loaded gaming rig, but it gets the job done. That's just enough power for basic tasks like creating documents, managing emails, and internet browsing. Although we didn't test this exact laptop, we find that Lenovo laptops generally offer solid build quality, a comfortable keyboard, and great performance. At just $149, it's the best value laptop you can get at this price point. If you want more performance, power, and a larger display, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 with Ryzen 5 CPU is on sale for $399, $100 off, at Walmart. It packs a 15.6-inch 1080p display, AMD Ryzen 5 3500U quad-core CPU, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB SSD, and Radeon Vega 8 graphics for